Hi guys, it's me Simran Khairnar back again here, and today I'm up with something really different, something really new. And this time I'm going to try unboxing experience, and as well as I'm going to react to the products. And this unboxing is from Kryolan professional makeup. We ordered. Apparently, this was a surprise for me, but this is what I wanted from a very long time, and today I'm going to react to it. This has just arrived today, and we've sanitized it. We have done everything possible to keep it proper and disinfected, and we are also like keeping ourselves safe. I hope you are doing that too, and I'm really thankful to Kryolan and that they delivered this product to us, and I'm really excited about it. Kryolan is a well-known brand from a very long time. I've been using a lot of products from Kryolan, and they are amazing. The coverage is fabulous. So I wanted to try the Aqua colors as well. So I don't know how this experience is going to be. So this is the first time on camera I'm going to do the unboxing. So please be here, and let's just open it together and see how the experiences. So I'll give you a review as well, so that you can purchase if you want to. They have like 3 sections, I believe, for 6, 12 and 24, and I have received 24 colors here. So let's just begin with the video. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. It's completely secured from all the ends to avoid any damage and stuff. This here, you can see this was the address panel here, and now let's begin with the unboxing experience. Okay, so that's how they've packed it, with all the air packs and stuff to keep it properly secured, and a lot of unwanted stuff here, as you can see. And okay, there you go. There's the box, the beautiful box in blue, and it says Kryolan Professional Makeup Aquacolor. Okay, so this is the 24 color set, as I mentioned earlier. So yeah, now I'll open the box and I'll show you the swatches as well. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and let's see what's inside. Oh my god, look at the pigments, look at the shades. Holy my god, these are gorgeous. I have been waiting for these for so long. Oh my god, they look beautiful, as you can see. Just look at these shades, and now I'll show the swatches as well. So yeah, let's begin. Okay, so to use these colors, you need to dip the brush in some water and just one glide. So I have taken some water here, and now I'm going to glide like the white shade and show you how it looks like. So this is only single application, and it looks amazing, as you can see. Okay, so I swatched these, and these on my hand are just single strokes, and they are amazing. From the top, the red one is 079, the teal one is the green 21. No, actually that's the, I think, 1K2, and the yellow one is 509, the green one is 512, the purple one is 099, the gray one is 517, The orange one is the mandarin, the silver and the gold. As you can see, these are just single strokes and I am blown away with the results. I can only imagine how the entire coverage would look like. So please guys, stay tuned for more creative and fantasy makeup looks by Simran Khairnar on my Instagram, on my YouTube. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't done that. And I'm really grateful to y'all. Thank you so much. And I'm just going to link the the place where you can order this from. It's just amazing. This costed us around like 4,600 to 700 rupees, and the application could be done with sponge and brushes. It's amazing guys. I highly recommend this to y'all, and this is not a sponsored video. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.